Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exam4. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important day two of 5,000 plus most expected problems what we are doing for the upcoming Ssc Cgl examination. Okay, so please do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments as well, guys. Please do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. Today, guys, again, we are going to do a lot of questions. And what is the origin? I'm telling you from the very beginning, from CGL, Ssc Cgl 2020 SIFTs, at least combination of at least 2 to 3 different shifts. So amazing questions, and you are going to enjoy it a lot. You're going to enjoy it a lot. Hello Vipin, hello Abhijit, hello Jayaraju. Very good evening. Please do the sharings, Vipin, Abhijit and Jayaraju on the Telegram as well. Harika, Shrivani, very good evening. Amazing questions of 2 to 3 different shifts of SSC CGL 2020. In the upcoming days, guys, when the sessions will take the peak, I will take it up 2021 and others as well. So let's begin quickly. Hello Anupam Yadav, very good evening. All of you are absolutely wonderful. Let's move on. And here it begins. Come on. Very quickly, guys, we have to do the things. I will just wait for the fastest answer and start solve it. Abhijit, well done. Well done. One man, one woman can together complete a work in 66 days. Their efficiencies are 3 and 2. So man efficiency 3 and woman efficiency 2. 3 plus 2, 5 efficiency in 66 days. So work is 5 into 66. Work is 5 into 66. You want this work to be done by 6 men and 2 women. So 5 into 66 work by 6 men and 2 women. 5 into 66 work by men efficiency 3 and women efficiency 2. 18 plus 4. 22 efficiency 3 times. It will take 15 days. Well done, Vipin, Shrivani, Jaya, Harika, and everyone else. Abhijit, very well done. Very well done. So let's move on to the second question of the day. Here it is. From simplification. Guys. Quickly, guys, share the session. First thing is share the session across WhatsApp groups, across Telegram groups, across my groups as well, guys. As I am not having the phone, so you can do it. Only you can do it. The fastest answer. Okay. Good evening. Good evening, Vinod. Good evening. Who is the trouble? The trouble is the off. Solve the off first. Who is the trouble? Off. Solve the off first. 90 divided 20 of 6 is 120 into brackets. Don't solve anything before off. Like brackets, definitely you can solve before off, but all thing other not. 6 minus of minus 5, 11. Okay. 6 minus of minus 5 is 11. Okay. Then divide by 9 and this. Okay. So here, whenever the division and multiplication are consecutive, we can convert it into everything. We can convert it into everything multiplication by taking the inverse. By taking the inverse. Well done, Ivan. So 90 divided by 120, 3 by 4. Of, we have taken it consideration. We have taken it consideration. 11. This is divide. First solve the off. First solve the off. 4 of 11 is 44. 4 of 11 is 44. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. 3 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 6. Answer. Please do watch out. Please do watch out. Take care of the minute points. Take care of the minute points, guys. Harika, Vipin, Charlie, Ivan, Shrivani, Abhijit, Vinod, absolutely great. However, some of you have done the errors. Please identify your errors and think that why the error has happened from you. And think why the error has happened from you. Small minute points. Off, we need to solve first. Off, we need to solve first. Okay? So this is 3 by 4 into 11 by 44 divide by 6. If all thing is multiply or divide, if everything is multiply or divide, then we can convert everything into multiply. 11 divide 54, so 1 by 54. Divide 6, so 1 by 6. This is a golden thumb rule. This is a golden thumb rule, guys. If everything is in the multiplication or divide, we can convert them into multiply. Next. Quickly share, guys. Quickly share it across your friends, colleagues. At least we will try to do 40 questions today. Or maybe more. Or maybe more, guys. It is worth more than 3 to 4 hours of self-study. Asking 8x cube minus 1 upon x cube. This is 2x ka cube minus 1 upon x ka cube. For this value, 2x minus 1 upon x is required. For this value, 2x minus 1 upon x is required. Divide by x to form 2x minus 1 upon x. Divide by x to form 2x minus 1 upon x. So 2x minus 1 upon x is 8. 2x minus 1 upon x is 8. If 2x minus 1 upon x is known, there is not a big deal in calculating 2x ka cube minus 1 upon 2x ka cube. This is a cube plus 3a. A cube plus 3a. Is any coefficient is also there? Yeah, different coefficients are there. Here it is 2, here it is 1. So multiply by 2 by 1 as well. Multiply by 2 by 1 as well because of the different coefficients. Yeah. Because if x plus 1 upon x is a, then x cube plus 1 upon x cube is a cube minus 3a. You know this. So 5, 1, 2 plus 48 is 560. Answer. Well done, Charlie, Ivan, Jaya, Harika as Ganesh. Very well done. Charlie, Ivan, Harika, and everyone else, guys, very well done. Very well done. Keep it up. Is it clear as well? I hope so. Gopinath, Madian, absolutely great. Let's move on. Maintaining the speed as well, guys. Maintaining the speed as well. Keep on sharing, guys. Keep on sharing. We have to, guys. We have to do our best. 5,000 plus question promise across all subjects. We are working day in, day out to make that promise happen. And you also have to. Apart from reading, the second thing you can do is sharing. The second thing you can do is sharing. We can save the time. One part at 20% profit, another part at 5% loss. Loss is negative, overall 15% profit. Apply the allegation. 20 minus 15, 5. 15 minus of minus 5. 15 minus of minus 5 is 20. So quantity would be in the ratio 20 ratio 5, or you can say quantity would be in the ratio 4 ratio 1. Quantity would be in the ratio 4 ratio 1. Quantity would be in the ratio 4 ratio 1. What is the quantity at 5% loss? It is 1. The quantity at 5% loss is 1 and the total quantity is 5. So 1 by 5 of total. 1 by 5 of total. 1 by 5 of total, my dear. Total is 640. 5 banja 5. 14, 5 2 ja 10. 128 kg. See out. See out. Well done, Gopi, Abhijit, Ivan, Vinod, Harika, Harish, Shrivani, and everyone else. Let's move on. I think I don't need to stick to this one. Let's move on. Then only we can reach our target. Then only we can reach our target. In tomorrow's question, it was 11 1 by 3. I see it that. It is not 11 1 by 2. It was 11 1 by 3. That is why we are not getting the answer. Yeah, 11 1 by 3. So if you say, we will discuss it once more in the upcoming days. Divisible by 11. Sum of digits at odd places. 6 plus b. Minus sum of digits at even places. 11 plus a should be divisible by 11. 6 plus b minus 11 minus a should be divisible by 11. So this is b minus a minus 5 should be divisible by 11. B minus a minus 5 should be divisible by 11. A is greater than b. If a is greater than b, then this is negative. If a is greater than b, then this is negative. Isn't it? If a is greater than b, then this is negative. Now, this is already negative. It is also negative. So we can only make it minus 11 now. Yeah, because in the negative, the multiple of 11 is minus 11. In the negative, the multiple of 11 is minus 11. So b minus a should be minus 6 to make it minus 11. B minus a is minus 6, or you can say a minus b is 6. A minus b is 6. Now, for the greatest value of b, find the greatest value of b so that it will become divisible by 11. What is the greatest value of b so that it will become divisible by 11? So b can be a minus 6. B can be a minus 6. Now, b can be a minus 6. Listen everyone very clearly. B can be a minus 6. A is a digit. A is a digit. What is the greatest possible value of a digit? What is the greatest possible value of a digit? The greatest possible value of a digit is 9. So if this is 9, then B is 3. If you take it anything else, the value will further decrease. The value will further decrease. So the answer is 3. Anyone get it correctly? Anyone get it correctly? Amazing. If you have any kind of doubts, you can consult me. B minus A should not be 5. B minus A cannot be 5 because A is greater than B. So B minus A should be negative. And if it is in the negative, I can only create minus 11 from here. And to create minus 11, B minus A should be minus 6. Or you can say A minus B should be 6. A minus B 6. So B is A minus 6. The greatest value of B you are getting only for the greatest value of A. The greatest value of B we are getting only for the greatest value of A. A is a digit. For any digit, the greatest value is, for any digit, the greatest value is 9. For any digit, the greatest value is 9. Perfect. Think, then I will move on. Charlie, still not clear. Oh. Sum of digit at odd places. Rule. Sum of digit at odd places minus sum of digit at even places should be divisible by 11. At odd places, 6 plus B plus 0. 6 plus B plus 0 is 6 plus B. Minus. Sum of digit at even places. 8A 3. 8 plus 3, 11 plus A. Should be divisible by 11. Should be divisible by 11. Okay? So, 6 plus B minus 11 minus A should be divisible by 11. B minus A minus 5 should be divisible by 11. A is greater than B. If A is greater than B, then B minus A would be negative. Now, if this is already negative, what should be its value to make it a multiple of 11? If this is already negative, what is its value to make it a multiple of 11? It cannot be 5, na? Because if this is negative, it cannot be 5. So it has to be minus 6. Because in the negative, the multiple of 11 is minus 11. Because in the negative, the multiple of 11 is minus 11. So B minus A should be 6. Or you can say A minus B is 6. Greatest value of B. For the greatest value of B, I can find out the value of B as A minus 6. For the greatest value of B, I need to keep the greatest value of A as well. Any digit greatest value is 9. Any digit greatest value is 9. Because digit is a single digit, yeah? Digit is a single number, 0 to 9. So A should be 9. Now guys, you can listen it multiple times and then we can discuss it. Let's move on. That was greatest of the greatest. That question was the greatest of the greatest. A circle will only touch the sides of a quadrilateral if it is inscribed. A circle will only touch the sides of a triangle, sides of a quadrilateral if it is inscribed. If it is inscribed, if it is inside, my dear. In this scenario, I hope all of you might be knowing some of the opposite sides of quadrilateral are equal. Some of the opposite sides of the quadrilateral are equal. We can prove this, but not today. We have done it multiple times. This is the high time. We have taken a big responsibility, so we are not doing the proof. Okay. AB 8.4, CD 5.6, BC 9.8. So we will get AD. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 minus 9.8 is AD. So 5, kitna? 4.2. Yeah, 4.2 is the AD. Its proof lies in the tangent properties. Tangent drawn to the circle from external point are equal. AA, BB, CC, DD. AB plus BC is equal to this and this. Let's move on. Sai Teja, well done. Now do this. We have reached 7. 5 ja 35. 5 terms of it. Fasten up. Decrease the power, half the power. How to do the half of the power? Add 2, take square root. Under root 729. Under root 729 is 27. Again, half the power. Add 2, take square root. Under root 29. But if you are doing the half the power with the opposite sign, then subtract 2 and take the square root. So x minus 1 upon x is root 25. X minus 1 upon x is 5. Well done, Mahima, Saraswat, Vinod, Ivan, Shrivani, Charlie, Harika, Vipin, and everyone else. If x plus 1 upon x is asked, answer is root 29. If x minus 1 upon x is asked, answer is root 25 or 5. Decrease the power, add 2, take the square root. Decrease the power, add 2, take a square root. With the same sign, then add 2, take a square root. If you are asking the minus, then minus 2, take the square root. That is your answer. Let's move on. So guys, you might be feeling the combination what I have created today. Yeah. And who is there? Sai Teja. All of you guys can, based on the reviews, I will get either the mix sessions or the topic wise sessions, or maybe both. Some days mix, some day topic wise. Okay. But we have to do our promise of no question is outside our 21 days. No question is going to be go outside from our 21 days. Do the square. If you do the square, guys, it will come positive. You can try it. When you do the square of a minus b as well, there as well a square plus b square comes. There as well a square plus b square comes. But from minus to plus, then we need to square it. In case of plus to plus, what we do? Minus 2. So minus to plus, we will do plus 2. You can write the theory as well. If x minus 1 upon x is a, then x square plus 1 upon x square is a square plus 2. Okay. X square plus 1 upon x square is 3. One more square. So now it is 3 ka square minus 2. From plus to plus it is minus 2. From plus to plus it is minus 2. 9 minus 2, 7. So x ka power 4 plus 1 upon x ka power 4 is 7. Again is square. Again is square. 7 ka square minus 2. 47. 7 ka square minus 2, 47. 7 ka square minus 2, 47. Srivani, Mahima, Saraswat, Mohit Yadav, some of the again very good students are joining us, and that is our aim, guys. That was our goal, to connect all the like-minded people, to connect all the good students at a single platform, and I think we are reaching in that direction. Now I want your more support, guys, to reach out to all the dedicated aspirants of Ssc Cgl, Ssc Chsl, and others. I want, guys, more of your support to reach all the dedicated students of CGL, CHSL, guys, and other SSC exams. Next. Because now our the previous is not for those dedicated, yeah. Come on, guys. Don't take too much of time. Harika is there, so I am also solving it. Braid costing 20, gave a 100 rupee note. So shopkeeper would have given him 80 rupees. 80 rupees in the form of 2, 5, 10. 80 rupees in the form of 2, 5, 10. 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. And the coin, their quantity is in the ratio. Their quantity is in the ratio 5, 4, 1. So value should be denomination into quantity in the ratio 10, ratio 20, ratio 10. So according to ratio, value should be 40. Actually, it is 80. So 1 is equal to 2 rupees. No, unit we will cancel out, yeah. 40 rupees is equal to 80 rupees, so 1 is equal to 2. This multiplication factor will not have any unit. This multiplication factor will not have any unit. 1 is equal to 2. 5 rupee coins according to ratio 4. 4 into 2, 8. Direct chala gaya. Okay. So like denomination 2, 5, 10, quantity 5, 4, 1. So their value according to the ratio 10, 20, 10. According to ratio, total value 40 rupees, actually 80 rupees. 1 is equal to 2. So 4 is equal to 4 into 2, 8. So number of 5 rupees are 8. Perfect. Let's move on and do some wonderful things. Oh my God. This is bhayanak. Okay. Don't be afraid. Just go ahead. You will do it. Mahima, Gopinath, Srivani, Mohit, Harish, Ivan, Charlie, Vipin, Harika, everyone. You will just rock, guys. You will just rock. And please keep on sharing, guys. Keep on sharing. No matters what. Only thing, guys, which can like help us is sharing. The area of the circular path is pi wd plus w. The area of the circular path is pi wd plus w, where d is the diameter and w is the width. Pi wd plus w. Pi wd plus w. For diameter, radius is required. For diameter, radius is required. So pi r square is given as 12474. Pi is 22 by 7 r square. 11 2 ja. 11 1 ja 11, 14, 11 1 ja 37, 33, 44. Oh ho, dear, oh dear. Simplify it once more. R square is 7 into 5, 13, 6, 12, 14, 7. Take common, guys. Something take common. Take 7 common. 7 8 ja 56. Oh ho. Itna sa extra effort have worked. Just a little bit extra effort has worked, guys. Taking this 7 common has made our journey extra easy. Has made our journey extra easy, guys. Just taking this 7 common. So radius is out of 2 7 1 will come. Out of 81 9 will come. 63. Radius is 63. 22 by 7. Width is 7 by 2. Width is 7 by 2. Diameter twice of radius. Diameter is twice of radius. Diameter is twice of radius. Plus width again 3.5. Gone. 11 into 129.5 and multiplication by 11 is the tremendous easy thing. And multiplication by 11 is the tremendous easy thing. 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 1. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Then 1. 1 decimal. Perfect. Well done, Mahima, Charlie, Harika, Iman, and Shrivani. Very, very important questions coming, guys. Very, very important questions coming. Pi wd plus w. Pi wd plus w. If you do the complete, then it is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So rather than that, remember pi wd plus w. Rather than that, remember pi wd plus w. Where d is the diameter. Where d is the diameter. Let's move on. Yeah, multiple of 11 you can also check. Multiple of 11 you can also check. Keep on sharing, guys. Keep on sharing. A shopkeeper marked his good 30% above the cost price. So if CP is 100, then MP is 130. If CP is 100, then MP is 130. If CP is 100, then MP is 130. He offered a discount of 10%. 10% is 13 discount. So selling price is I think 117. Selling price is 117. How much profit you are having? How much profit you are having? I think 17%. In this scenario, you are having 17% profit. You want to earn 6.5% more? Yeah. So you want to earn 6.5% more, I think. So you want the selling price to be 123.5. You want the selling price to be 123.5. You want the selling price to be 123.5. Well done, Mohit, Gopinath. How much discount can you offer now? How much discount you can offer you now? 130 MP, 123.5 selling price. So now you can offer a discount of only 6.5. 130 minus 6.5 is 123.5. Discount of 6.5 over the MP of 130 is how much percentage? It's a 5%. Check out. Quite a conceptual one. Quite a good one. Yeah. Quite a good one. Conceptual one. Involves some thought process. Perfect. Let's move on. Come on, guys. Give your efforts. Just don't let the things go. Don't let the things go, guys. Give your best. Give your 100%. Give your ultimate. Charlie. Two equal sums. PP. Landed at 6% and 10%. First sum is recovered 2 years later. First sum is recovered 2 years later. So let's suppose if the second is for t years, then the first is for t plus 2 years. If the second is for t years, then the first is for t plus 2 years. And amount in each case is also same. Baba, if principal is same, amount is same, then interest should also be same. Principal plus interest is amount. If principal is same, amount is same, so interest in each case is also same. Interest here is RT%, that is 6 into T plus 2%. And here interest is 10% into T. It should also be equal. Gone. 60 plus 12 is equal to 10T. So 12 is equal to 4T. T is 3 years. So T is 3 years. Take any of the equation. P principal, 10% rate, 3-year time, amount is A. So if your principal is 100%, then the interest is 30%. So amount should be 130%. One value is enough. Either one value is enough. I think amount is given. 130 is given as 1105. So 13 13 7 ja 91, 13 8 ja 104, 65. So 10% is 85. 10% is 85. 10% is 85. So 100% is 850. The principal. Marvelous. Marvelous question. 130% is given, 100% is being asked. 130% is given as 1105 and 100% the principal is asked. You can do it by your own as well in the at home. Well done, Mahima, Shrivani, Mohit, Harika, Shrivani, Charlie, Gopinath, and all. Next. Trigonometry. Do you know the value of cos 20? Do you know the value of cos 20? No? How can this be the answer? Do you know the value? Okay, you know the values of these three. Root 3. Where does root 3 comes in cos? I think at 30 degree. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So, if it is becoming 0, they should have also used root 3. Then only it can become 0. So, go for 30. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Let's check whether it is becoming 0 or not. So, 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 root 3 is definitely 0. So, 30 is absolutely correct. 30 is absolutely correct, guys. 30 is absolutely correct. 30 is absolutely correct. And all of you are also correct. And all of you are also correct. So proud of you. Such a great bunch of students. I'm expecting top hundreds from here. This year, guys, one of my favorite student missed top 1000. He landed at 1900. I can feel the pain for him. And he can also feel the pain. He ended at auditor. But one of my second favorite student has become PO. Okay. Okay. The reason because he ended up at auditor only is he got tremendously low marks in tier 3, 41. So that was his hard luck. Yeah. That was his hard luck. He got 41 only, guys. Yeah. There. Otherwise, if he have got 60, he would be in top 500s. Yeah. He would be in top 500s. Now, among from you, Vipin, Gopi, Harika, everyone else, Mahima is also looking very promising. I'm expecting top 1000. That is not a pressure. That is only a expectation. And even this is not an expectation. This is a motivation. This is also not an expectation. This is a motivation. This is to create the self-belief that if I have a belief, you should also have. Okay. It's 0% pressure. Okay. It's 0% pressure. It's only a belief and motivation. That is, you can do. You can do, guys. Okay? It's 100% motivation. Okay, let's move on. CBI near about 400, 700, 900, 1100, depending upon your choices. 1100. Now this year, guys, it's huge vacancies. So the rank required for the past year, you can triple it. If you are getting excise at 3000, 2000 previously, you will get for 6000. Yeah, you can get it for 6000. Yeah, this year maybe guys, depending upon what happens. Thank you very much, Mahima. Thank you very much. (45 minus alpha, 45 plus alpha are complementary. And when the angles are complementary, they cancel out each other. This should be caught, yaar. This should be caught. है ना? Caught. Otherwise, they are different values. So basically, this should be caught. So angles are complementary, they will cancel out each other. Tan and cot. They will cancel out each other. I'm writing this as cos 19. Cos 19 plus cos 19 is minus 2 cos 19. I'm writing this as sec 19 because 19 and 71 are complementary pair. 19 and 71 are complementary pair. So it is 2 sec 19. So this is basically minus 4 in the numerator. It's 1. It's also 1. What happened? Okay, this was 1. This was 1. So 1 minus 4 by complementary 10a into 10b 1. Complementary 10a into 10b 1. Complementary 10a into 10b1, complementary 10a into 10b1. Well done, Jaya, Mahima, Charlie, Harika, Shrivani, Harika, and all. Thank you very much. Let's move on. Do some more wonders. Do some more wonders. Stay motivated. Stay hungry. Can you think of values? If you can, then try for it. Then go for it. Please, guys, for quite long, you know that we have not seen 20 also. Yeah. So let this happen today. Let this happen today. Like we are again starting a platform from the scratch. So I think now with your support we can see that number. So if you have any choice left, guys, you should be using that choice. Any group left, anything left where you should be doing it. 2. If I take 2 here, 2 ka square 4, 64 plus 165, no. If I take 1, no. With value putting, you cannot go. With value putting, I think you cannot go. So do it completely. This is 4x plus y. This is 4x plus y ka whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay? This value is given as 48. This is 8 times of xy. Four x plus y is 8. 4x plus y is 8. 4x plus y is 8. Cube it. Do the cube. You will get to your answers. Do the cube. You will get to your answers. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. 3ab. A plus b. In place of 4x plus y, in case of 4x plus y, I can simply write 8. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b, and a plus b is already 8, is equal to 8 का क्यूब 512. 96xy 512. So value is 512 minus 96xy. Answer. It was there. Some work was there. Some work was there. However, still all of you have done it. Mahima, Charlie, Harika, Mohit, Vipin, Jaya, Raju, Gopinath. Some work was there, but such a tremendous effort by you as well that all of you have done this work. All of you have done this work. No value putting we can do because two equation, two variable. Two equation, two variable. We cannot put any value. So we have to do this work and we have done this work and you are the winner. Next. We are halfway through the session. Since all quality questions coming, so content like it can be 32 to 35 as well. I know you will not mind it. When some easy questions will come someday, then we will cover up with 50, 55 as well. I'm not wasting even a single minute. Only giving you some time and then solving it directly. But if there is a quality in the shifts, we can't do anything. Okay. Wow. Is it correct? Okay. Let me also think. If it would be 4, it would be much good. What do you say? Divide by x square. Divide by x square. So x की power 4 minus 5 minus 1 upon x square. X की power 4 plus 7 minus 1 upon x square. Can you tell, guys? Can you tell why we have divided by x? Can you tell why we have divided by x? Okay, आ गया? चलो, great. Why we have divided by x? We have divided by x because we want to make at least one term free of coefficient. One term free of coefficient. Okay. Now I can divide it by x as well, but the only problem is that then x will also become independent of. Then this is also I need to divide. Yeah, that is the reason. This is, you cannot proceed there. Yeah, you cannot proceed apart from here. It should be x cube, I think. Because if I divide it by x further, it will become dependent on x. If I divide by x further, then it will become dependent on x, then you cannot proceed further. So, do some correction, and now divide it by x cube. Now divide by x cube. So, x की power 3 minus 5 minus 1 upon x की power 3. X की power 3 plus 7 minus 1 upon x की power 3. So, x की power 3 minus 1 upon x की power 3 minus 5 upon x की power 3 minus 1 upon x cube is plus 7. X minus 1 upon x is 5. Then x cube minus 1 upon x cube is a cube plus 3a. A cube plus 3a. 140. A cube plus 3a, 140. A cube plus 3a, 140. So 140 minus 5 upon 140 plus 7. 135 by 147. 135 by 147. Simplify by 3. 45. Simplify by 3. 12 more. So 4 more. 49. 45 by 49 is the answer. So with a bit of correction, guys, with a bit of correction, we nailed it. We cracked it. With a bit of correction, we nailed it. We cracked it. Vipin, call someday. Yeah, I see that you still pose the questions. You are a highly dedicated person. Like you are doing it for past continuous lot of days, huge days you are doing it. Next. Each and every question is from your paper. So I have not make it intentionally tough. Okay. Some days will come when questions will come easy. Then also you have to give your best and do all of them. No value putting to equation 2 variable. So y minus x upon xy is 11 by 24. X minus y is 11, so y minus x is minus 11. Xy is minus 24. Xy is minus 24. Xy is minus 24. X cube minus y cube is x minus y का whole square plus 3xy plus this is xy का whole square. I think each and every value is known to us. So it is about value putting now. Each and every value is known to us. So it is only about value putting now. What is x minus y? 11. 11 का square 121. 3 times of xy minus 24. And minus 24 का square is 576. Minus 24 का square is 576. So 11 times of 121 minus 72 plus 576. This is how much, my dear? 49. 11 into 49 plus 576. 9 plus 4, 13, 1. 539 plus 576. Unit digit of 5. 1000 से बड़ा है, ये होगा. Well done, Harika, Charlie, Shrivani, Ivan, Mahima. Well done, Harika, Charlie, Shrivani, Ivan, Mahima. Keep it up. Let's move on. Stay strong, stay positive. All CGL, guys. Nothing beyond CGL. All CGL, nothing beyond CGL. And nothing below CGL as well. So today is a session will be remembered for a long time. Nothing below CGL, nothing above CGL. Okay. Length is increased 2-3 times. So length is changing from 1 to 3. Breadth is decreased to half. So from 2 to 1. So area is length into breadth. So we'll change from 2 to 3. Oh, dear, 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 dear. What is this? What is this? Length is getting tripled. Breadth is getting half. So area will get from 1 into 2, 2 to 3 into 1, 1. So area will change in the ratio 2 ratio 3. Area will change in the ratio 2 ratio 3. Next. Jai Raju, well done. Just think, bit of thinking, bit of thinking. What value can satisfy? What value can satisfy? Whose square, take it third, take it third, so that square of third can become a real, a rational number. And take it a rational number. It happens at theta is equal to 30 degree. It happens at theta is equal to 30 degree. At 30, cos is third and sine is integer. Sorry, rational. At 30, cos is third and sine is rational. Let's try this, guys. Even it is also new for me. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4. Sine 30 1 by 2. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So sec square 30. Acha, sec square theta minus tan square theta is always 1. It's an identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is also 1. So if you are putting the value over there, it is about you are wasting your time. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is always an identity. So basically it is about asking 1 plus cos square theta only. And cos 30 is root 3 by 2 chi square. 1 plus 3 by 4 is 7 by 4. Dear, oh dear. Well done. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is already a identity, so there is no point putting its value. Just move on. Charlie. Surbhi sold an article after giving 176 after giving 12% discount. After giving 12% discount, the selling price is going to be 88%. The selling price is going to be 88%. 88% is given as 176. So 1% is 2. So cost price is cost price. No, it's MP. What will come, guys? It's the MP will come because discount is offered over MP. Okay. So here the 100% will represent MP. Here the 100% will represent the MP. Here the 100% will represent the MP because we have calculated from discount. We have calculated from discount. So 12% discount. And discount is offered over MP. Discount is offered over MP. So 100% will represent the MP over here. Now, had she not given any discount, she would have earned a profit of 25%. So zero discount means MP is equal to SP. In this case, you are having a profit of 25%. So this is basically equal to 125%. This 200 is basically equal to 125%. What is the value of 100%? The CP. This is 100 by 125 into 200. 25 4 ja, 25 5 ja, 5 40 times 160. 160. Walton, Mahima, Harish, Jaya, Harika, Vipin, Charlie, these 6. Great. Let's. %60 girl remain. Average boys, girls, what is average? Oh, nothing. 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 Vijay, Shrivani. Average marks of boys. Average marks of boys 63. Girls 70. Overall class. If 60% are girls, so 40% are boys. So they are in the ratio 2 ratio. They are in the ratio 2 ratio 3. They are in the ratio 2 ratio 3. Divide this difference of. Either divide this difference, guys. One of the way is divide this difference. Divide this difference of 7. Divide this difference of 7 in the ratio 2 ratio 3. Find only one value, guys. Find only one value. So divide this difference in the ratio 2 ratio 3. I'm finding the value of 2. So 2 is equal to 2 by 5 of 7. And 2 by 5 of 7 is 14 by 5. And 14 by 5 is, I think, 2.8. So this value is 2.8. Now, open your brain. Open your brain, guys. This is the biggest value. This is the biggest value. This minus this should be equal to 2.8. This minus this should be equal to 2.8. So what is this value? I think just subtract 2.8 from here. So 67.2. 67.2. 67.2, guys. 67.2 is the correct answer. Let's move on. We have done 21. Not bad. Not bad, guys. However, you know, in such a great subject, in such a good subject, in such good papers, good shifts, to maintain the score of more than 20 per hour is absolutely no way, because you have to give you some time and then solve it properly as well. If the shifts were easy, we can do that. ADEB. So similar triangles. Oh, it's nothing. ADE and ABC are similar triangles. ADE and ABC are similar triangles. For ADE, this is one of the side, 7. And for ABC, the corresponding side is 12. And for ABC, the corresponding side is 12. So their corresponding sides are in the ratio 7 ratio 12. Their corresponding sides are in the ratio 7 ratio 12. So you will say, sir, this corresponding side of DE, this corresponding side of DE, and this corresponding side of BC should also be in the ratio 7 ratio 12. Should also be in the ratio 7 ratio 12. So DE over BC is in the ratio 7 ratio 12. DE they want, and what is BC? The BC is 9. 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja. So DE is 21 by 4, 5.25. Is it in the options? Yeah. Yeah. Great. Great. Bit more, guys. 20 more minutes, maybe 20 more minutes. And we will definitely go beyond 32 or maybe near about 35. Near about 35 is our target. Histogram. Oh, question is on the different page. I will help you out. Let X is the number of students whose weight is less than 50. X is the number of students whose weight is less than 50. And Y is the number of students whose weight is greater or equal to 60. So, I'm giving you the hint over that page. X less than 50. X is less than 50. And Y is greater than equal to 60. What is X ratio? Chalo. Doable. Pretty easily doable. You will just nail it. This histogram says there are 20 persons who are between 40 to 45 kg. There are 45 persons who are between 45 to 50 kg. X is less than 50. So less than 50 kg persons are 65. Less than 50 kg persons are 65. And more than equal to 60 kg persons are 45. 45. Simplify by 5, 13 ratio 9. 13 ratio 9. 13 ratio 9 is absolutely correct. 13 ratio 9 is absolutely correct. Well done. You have done some error, Vipin, maybe. Have you identified your error? Have you identified your error? Greater than 60 are only 45. Greater than 60 are only 45. 60 or greater than 60 are only 45. Yeah. And 50 or less than 50 are total 65. Well done. This is important, guys, for these years as well. Yeah, histograms are important for these years as well. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, diagonals BD and EC. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic means all lies on the circle. It's important. ABCD is the cyclic quadrilateral. Diagonals BD and AC intersect at E. Chalo, very, very good. BEC is 138. And EDC is 35. What is back? Where is back? Back is theta. Okay. This is not a center. Guys, always remember this is not a center. Okay. It is their intersection point. It is their intersection point. BD and AC intersect at E. BEC is known. Okay. So I can write down this data as well. This is going to be, I think, 42. Yeah, very good. 42, dear, oh dear. What is back? What is back? I am feeling a point. BD and AC intersect each other at E. Okay. And BEC is 138. An angle ECECD. Yeah, that is what I was thinking about. ECD is 35. ECD 35. Okay. 35 plus 42 is 77. What is remaining? What is remaining? 180 minus 77. That is 103. If this BD arc, if this BD chord has subtended 103 here, it will subtend 103 here as well. That is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking what I would like for 35 should be the answer. Like the diagram which I made is saying that 35 should be the answer. So I take a hold. I take a hold that what is happening. Okay. So if this is 32, this is 35, this is 42. So this angle should be 103. If this is 103, it is also 103 by the property of angle made in the same segments are equal. Angle made in the same segments by a chord are equal. Angle made by a chord in the same segments are equal. If this is 103, this is also 103. Perfect. Perfect. Let's move on. 25th. The number where we stopped yesterday but not today. The number where we stopped yesterday but not today for sure. We will move 10 beyond it for sure. We will move 10 beyond it. Look at. Skip it in the first go. Skip it in the first round. See it in the second round if you get some time. Okay. See it in the second round, guide, if you get some time. It's quite calculative. Looking from the appearance as well as from the options. Both the things are suggesting you. The entire universe is suggesting you to skip this. Even this data, and the options. Yeah. Entire universe is saying this thing. Skip it. However, since we are learning, so we will be doing it over here. For the first 2 years, rate is 8%. For the next 4 years, the rate is 10%. Total 6 years are gone. Total 6 years are gone. For the period beyond 6 years, it is 12%. This interest is for 9 years. This interest is for 9 years. 6 years are already happened. So, for 3 years, you will get 12% as well. For 3 years, you will get 12% as well. For 3 years, you will get 12% as well. So, total interest, 8 to just 16% from here, 40% from here, 36% from here, 76. 76 plus 8 is 82, 92% interest, guys. 92% is 18358. What is 100%? What is 100%? Both are multiple of 4. Both are multiple of 4. 23 times, 25 times. So what is the value of 25? 25 by 23 of 18358. Do you have patience to do it? I have. Do you have patience to do it? All of you have done it already, guys. All of you have done it already. The table of 23 is not that difficult. The table of 23 is not that difficult. 23, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. 8 times. Okay. What is 23 into 8? Oh ho ho. 7 times only. 7 times. 161. After 161, it's 22, 225. So 225 is about 9 times. 9 times. If this would be 8 na, then answer would be 20. Since this is less than 8, so answer should be less than 20,000. Either this or this. Either this or this. So when you solve it, you will get either A or B. You will get either A or B. Even the unit digit is coming out as on exact. Even the unit digit is coming out as 5. So this has a greater possibility. On the exact multiplication, the unit digit is coming as 5. So this has a huge probability. Perfect. Is this is correct? I hope so. Well done, Harish, Charlie, Ivan, Mohit, Vipin, Srivani, Harish. Next. What is this? What is this? You are adding 5 to each. ऐसे ही कर लो ना, like 5, you are adding 5 to each. From 5:8 to 2:3. Here the difference is 3, here it is 1. So multiply by 1 over here, multiply by 3 over here. So from 5:8, it is becoming 6:9. So increment of 1. 1 is given as 5. So increment of 1. Increment of 1, guys. So 1 is given as 5. What is the sum? According to the ratio, it was 13. But 1 is 5, so 13 5 just 65. But 1 is 5, so 13 5 just 16 5. Ivan, Mahima, Mohit, Harish, Harika, Shrivani, Vipin, Charlie, all of you are correct. It was expected that all of you would be correct as well. And Monica Reddy as well. Yeah, it was expected as well that all of you will be correct. 1 is 5. So ratio is saying sum is 13. 13 5 just 65. 13 5 just 65. Let's move on. It's 27. 27. 35 is not too ahead. In the upcoming days, we will make the plan of 45 as well. But for 45, I need to keep some easy problems as well to do it in 2 hours. (18 persons, 8 hours a day, can complete 3 units of work in 10 days. How many days are required by 25 persons to complete 5 units of work 6 hours a day? Work comes in the denominator. Work comes in the denominator. Simplify, 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 simplify. 8 2 ja 16. 8 2 ja 16. 8 2 ja 16. This was never simplified. It is by mistake. है ना? It is by mistake. M1 D1 H1 upon W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 upon W2. So answer is 16. 28. 28. Come on. Tremendous efforts required. However, not a great, not a typical problem, not a typical problem at all. Just take care of units. Just take care of units. Just take care of units. 250-meter long train crossing in 9 seconds. Speed of man is in kilometer per hour. So I think convert this into kilometer per hour, my dear. So multiply by 18 by 5. So this will become kilometer per hour. So 96 kilometer per hour is the relative speed. 96 kilometer per hour is the relative speed. 96 kilometer per hour is the relative speed. Man and train walking in the same direction. So 96 minus is the relative speed of train minus man. Same direction, na? Same direction, na? So train minus man. Speed of train 96 plus man 102 kmph. Speed of train 102 kmph. Speed of train 102 kilometer per hour. How much time it will take to cross this much meter tunnel? So crossing a tunnel means crossing its own length plus crossing the tunnel length. Again, my dear, you have to convert into meter per second. So bit of repetition. Bit of repetition. Yeah. I can avoid that. While I'm doing it, I'm thinking that I can avoid this repetition. But since that was natural, so we are doing it. You need to again convert into meter per second. You might have also thought we can avoid this repetition, but no issues. Sometimes it is good. 7 plus 4, 1. Then 612 divide by 510. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. Okay. Yeah, this is making it easy. 6 times. This is making it easy, guys. 6 times. 18 6 ja 108 by 5 is 21.6. Bit double unit conversion. Bit double unit conversion. Well done, Mahima, Charlie, Vipin, Mohit, Ivan, Monica, Shrivani, Harika, Gopinath, Mohit. Acha, those were of. Okay, so it's a D day, na? A lot of answers are coming as D. It's a D day. 29th. Unit conversion is very important in train problems. Yeah. Unit conversion must be taken care in train problems. You cannot survive it before that. Guys, after the session is over, let's suppose in the next 15 minutes, you have to let me know, guys, how was the session, how was today's mixed session, and you have to definitely, guys, share it the session even while doing as well, and even while in the end as well, guys. Yeah, it's very important. We are like expecting some very huge efforts from my side as well, from the faculty side as well, and from the student side as well. Radha saves 25% of his income. So, save na 25 save, so spend 75. So for her, income expenditure and saving is in the ratio 4:3:1. For Radha, income expenditure saving is in the ratio 4:3:1. Yeah. Expenditure rises by 20%, directly multiply. Directly multiply. Income rises by 29, directly multiply. Don't think twice. What is the difference between 116 and 60? The difference between 116 and 60 is, I think, 56. So 56% over 1, savings will rise by 56%. Short and sweet. Very, very short, guys. Very, very short. See, just write down their ratio 431 and directly multiply. Expenditure rising by 20%, 3 into 20, 60. Income rising by 29%, 116. So remaining is the rise in the savings. 116 minus 60, 56 is the rise in the savings over 1. So 56% is the answer. Let's move on. This is nothing. Similarity is nothing for us, yeah? Similarity is nothing for us. This is like a bonus for you. Only thing is, it should be correct. However, it is looking so. Today there was hardly any wrong because after getting the typed, no, even I have not checked, cross-checked today. It's luckily there was no errors. Like I arranged the things, but I haven't cross-checked the data with the original source. But luckily it was correct here. Area is in the ratio 13.5 and 24. Decimal area would be in the ratio. Area would be in the ratio. 5 to 10, 5, 27 ratio. 5 is simplifying, I think, 48 times. 3 is simplifying, it's 9, 16. So side would be in the ratio root 9, root 16. 3 ratio 4. Side would be in the ratio 3 ratio 4. Okay, Sai Teja, for sure. I told you in the comments as well, na? Some mix, some topic wise. Some mix, some topic wise. Side is in the ratio 3 ratio 4. Side is in the ratio 3 ratio 4. This is about triangle of ABC and this is about triangle of DEF. Asking EF, so BC required. Asking EF, so BC required. 3 is given as 3.15. So 4 is going to be, it is 1.05, I think. So 4 is 4.05 is 4.2 maybe. As it is. Yeah, perfect. 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 3 is 3.15. 3 is 3.15. So 4 is 4.2. Because there is a multiplication of 1.05. 3 into 1.05 is 3.15. So 4 into 1.05 is 4.2. 4.2. Perfect. Let's move on. We are very, very near, guys. We are very, very near. We have done some good work today. We all guys have done some very, very good work today. And if we continue doing like this for next 20 days, definitely the results will come. Definitely it will convert into results. No one can stop us like in converting into results, guys. No one can stop us in converting this hard work into results. It's looking easy. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. 2 root 3 sin theta. So cos theta comes out to be 3 by 2 root 3. Root 3 by 2. Theta is 30 degree. Theta is 30 degree. Theta is 30 degree. So 2 sine square 60 minus 3 cos square 90. Guys, for your kind information, cos 90 is 0. So this is like a non-visible for you. Sine 60 root 3 by 2 ka square. Answer. Answer is A. Very good, Sai, Mahima, Sai, Ivan, Mohit, Harish, Shrivani, Monica, Reggie, and everyone else. Wow. Let's see what is inside it. Can there be something? First, I was thinking about it might be a Apollonies, but it is not looking like a Apollonies. Yeah, I, it it is not Apollonies. So think small, think basic, think basic. Okay, let me think as well. Okay, it's basic. I think yeah, it's basic. Angle C is 90. Q is the midpoint of BC. Q is the midpoint of BC. Well done. If Q is the midpoint, well done, Q. So AB is 10. AC is 2 root 10. 2 root 10. What is this complete CB? What is this complete CB? By applying Pythagoras, CB is under root of 10 ka square minus 2 root 10 ka square. 100, not 100. It's 4 into 10, 40, root 60. So CB is root 60, which is, I think, 15 forja. So 2 root 15. CB is 2 root 15. Total 2 root 15. Both parts are root 15 each. Both parts are root 15 each. Both parts are root 15 each. What is A cube? Pythagoras once again. Pythagoras once again. 2 root 10 का whole square plus root 15 का whole square का under root. Root 55 आएगा. Root 55 will come. 40 plus 15. Root 55 will come. Here it is. Here it is. 32. Wow. It's 1840. And we have touched a good number. I promise, guys, we will touch even more great numbers in the upcoming days. In the upcoming days, we will touch more great numbers. This kind of problem solving, guys, we are going to do. It will come in your blood. It will come in your blood, guys, that problem solving. Those who know the spatial method are at great advantage. Spatial formula, when both the selling price are equal, is 100 x plus y plus 2xy upon 200 plus x plus y percent. When asked in the percentages, 100 x plus y plus 2xy upon 200 plus x plus y. 19% profit plus 19. Loss of 11 minus 11 plus 19 minus 11 upon 200 plus 19 minus 11. 800 plus 38 into minus 11 divide by 208. 800 minus how much, guys? It is the 8 plus 3, 11, 418 divided by 208. 3 82 by 208%. Less than 2% profit. Positive is coming. Positive is coming, denoting that there is a profit. Positive is coming, there is a profit. And the value is less than 2. The value is less than 2. So less than 2% profit. Less than 2% profit. 100x plus y plus 2xy upon 200 plus xy plus y can save you in certain situations. Can save you in certain situations. Huge saving, guys. This is like pulling you from a very difficult situation and giving you the plus 2. This is, guys, about pulling you from a very difficult situation and giving you plus 2 and giving you a huge advantage. Game changer. Game changer, guys. Oh, I'm not going to do it. Just put the value, get the answer. Just put the value, get the answer. Sin 30, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 1060 root 3. Cos 60, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Cos 30, root 3 by 2, it is 2 by root 3, 4 by 3. Next. Cot 45, 1. 4. Sec 60, 2. 2 square is 4. Sin 60, root 3 by 2 square, 3 by 4. Cos 90, 0. Fadafat. Root 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 3 by 4. Root 3 minus 2 by 2 into 3 by 4. So 2 root 3 minus 2 by, is it in the options? Yeah. Such a bad. No. In the examination, guys, even this can trouble you. Do you know this? In the examination hall, even putting so much values can also trouble you. That is the game they are playing. This is called as a patience game. What is this called, guys? This is called as a patience game. To check the patience of students. To check the perseverance. That who can put the values without doing the error. Who can put the values without doing the error. One more patience game. Just do it together. Just do it together, guys. What is there to try for? Yeah, just do it together. 8 sin 30 1 by 2 sin 60 root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4 sin 91 sec 45 is root 2 square is 2. Just do it together. 8 will simplify. This is 3 minus 6 in the numerator, that is minus 3 in the numerator. 1045 1 cot 30 is root 3 square is 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Just do it together. Charlie, Vipin have done it even before. And Mahima as well. So guys, how was the day? Come on, tell me, how was the day? This is the schedule for Sunday. This is the schedule for tomorrow. 8 to 10 current affairs taken by Milan sir. 1 to 2 Ankit sir is taking your reasoning session. 2 to 3 Ankit sir is again. So it's like a 1 to 3. It's like a 1 to 3. 3 to 5 Shashank sir is taking your GA session. 5 to session I'm coming every day. I'm coming every day, guys, for next 21 days. I'm coming every day for the next 21 days. 7 to 10 Tausif sir. Wow. A marathon of Tausif sir. Okay. So again, going to be a great day. Thank you very much, Mahima. Thank you very much. Again, going to be a great day. All 4 subjects are running tomorrow as well. So this is the schedule for Sunday. Please be present in tomorrow's session as well. Thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourself. This is about Monday. Milan sir, Tausif sir English, Reasoning Ankit sir, GS sir Sasank, 5 to 7 again I am coming back, and Devender sir Static GK. Thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. Charlie, Vipin, Monica, Harika, Sai Teja, Mahima Saraswat. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for all the love and appreciation. Please, guys, if possible for you, thank you very much, Ivan and Shrivani as well. Please do some comments and do some sharings as well. Thank you very much, Haris. And let the word spread, guys, about this our 21 days extra efforts. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you tomorrow.